Hi, I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, a board-certified sexual wellness expert. For the past 12 years, I've specialized in helping men over 40 and 50 reclaim their energy, confidence, and performance, naturally. Today, I'm breaking down the supplements that actually work, the ones that are mostly hype, and the smart way to use them to support your body over time. Stick around, because this isn't just about performance in the bedroom. We're talking about energy, vitality, confidence, and your long-term health. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, because I release new videos every week to help men take back control of their health. Let's clear up a big misconception first. Most men think supplements are like magic pills. You take 1-2 hours before intimacy, and boom, problem solved. But here's the truth. Over 50% of erectile dysfunction is psychological. Mindset, confidence, and stress all play huge roles. And even when the cause is physical, it's almost always about blood flow, how well your blood vessels can relax and open. That's where supplements help, not as instant fixes, but as long-term tools to nourish your blood vessels, support hormones, and reduce inflammation. Think of it like tending a garden. You don't dump fertilizer once and expect a harvest tomorrow. You feed it consistently so it can grow strong. So if you've ever felt disappointed after taking one miracle pill, remember, supplements work best as part of a long-term strategy, not a quick fix. For over a decade, I've worked with men in their 40s, 50s, and beyond. Men who felt their energy fading, their confidence slipping, or their performance declining. And what I've seen again and again is this. When used correctly, the right supplements can make a real difference. But choosing the wrong ones? That's where most of your money disappears. So today, let's make things crystal clear. Here's my science-backed roadmap. The top 5 supplements that truly support men's health and sexual vitality. For over a decade, I've worked with men in their 40s, 50s, and beyond. Men who felt their energy fading, their confidence slipping, or their performance declining. And what I've seen again and again is this. When used correctly, the right supplements can make a real difference. But choosing the wrong ones? That's where most of your money disappears. So today, let's make things crystal clear. Here's my science-backed roadmap. The top 5 supplements that truly support men's health and sexual vitality. Number 5. Omega-3 fatty acids, fish oil, or algae oil. Let's start with the foundation. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve the flexibility of your blood vessels. And remember, better blood flow equals better erections. They also support brain and heart health. The same circulation that powers your brain also powers performance in the bedroom. Men who take omega-3s often report clearer thinking, calmer mood, and more stable energy. How to use it? Take around 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined daily. If you're plant-based, algae oil works just as well. Number 4. L-citrulline, watermelon extract. Found in the rind of watermelon, L-citrulline converts into L-arginine, which boosts nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes your blood vessels for stronger, longer-lasting erections. That's the confidence booster every man needs. How to use it? Look for L-citrulline malate or watermelon extract in capsules or powder. It's far more effective than eating bowls of watermelon every day. Number 3. Ashwagandha. This ancient herb earns its reputation. It lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, which directly supports testosterone production. Less stress equals higher testosterone, equals stronger libido and better stamina. How to use it? Go for standardized extract, 600 milligrams daily. Take it consistently for the best results, not just occasionally. The kind your body can actually use. Many men say they're. Number 2. Magnesium. This is the unsung hero of men's health. It's involved in over 300 reactions, from testosterone production to muscle relaxation and sleep. Magnesium helps release bound testosterone, making it bioavailable, the kind your body can actually use. Many men say they sleep better, wake up more refreshed, and feel calmer overall. How to use it? Take magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate, 300 to 400 milligrams daily. Avoid cheap oxide forms. They're poorly absorbed. Number 1. Zinc. If I had to choose one mineral every man over 40 should take, it's zinc. It's vital for testosterone, sperm quality, and prostate health. Low zinc equals low libido, weak erections, and poor recovery. Restoring zinc often feels like restoring your vitality itself. How to use it? Take 10 to 20 milligrams daily, preferably with food. Don't overdo it. Too much can interfere with copper absorption. Building your supplement plan. 1. Start with a good multivitamin to fill the gaps. 2. Add magnesium and zinc, the backbone of hormonal health. 3. Include omega-3s for circulation and brain support. 4th layer in ashwagandha to reduce stress and boost testosterone. 5. Add L-citrulline for improved blood flow and performance. Think of it as building a performance toolkit. Each supplement strengthens a different part of your system: circulation, hormones, stress, and foundation. And remember, supplements are not replacements for healthy habits. They enhance a foundation built on good sleep, regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and stress control. If you're in your 50s or 60s wondering if it's too late, it's absolutely not. I've seen men in their 70s reclaim their energy and intimacy through small, consistent steps. Start with one change, one supplement, one habit. Build momentum. Your vitality isn't behind you, it's within reach, waiting for you to reclaim it. With the right daily habits and nutrients, you can restore your confidence, your strength, and your connection at any age. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. You never know whose life you might improve just by passing it along. And tell me in the comments, which of these supplements are you going to try first? I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, your sexual wellness expert. Thank you for trusting me with your health. Remember, investing in yourself is never wasted. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and connected at every stage of life. Stay well, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.